Hello everyone! Today I am going to share with you about METADICHOL. METADICHOL is an extract derived from sugarcane wax, which is processed by patented technology to form nanoparticles and then fused with pure water from the Swiss mountain. It is highly water-soluble and can provide beneficial effects to the human body. Similar polycosanol does not bring the same efficacy as METADICHOL. METADICHOL is manufactured in an FDA-compliant factory in Switzerland. It is a safe, natural, non-toxic food and without any side effects. Its ingredients are all listed as GRAS, safe food, by the US FDA. METADICHOL is patented in many countries including US, China, EU, Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, Australia, India, South Africa, Russia, Hong Kong, Italy and many more. In addition to having registered patents in various countries around the world, METADICHOL also declares its beneficial effect to the human body in its patent documents. In the first patent document, there are 14 claims. In the second patent document, there are 12 claims. And in the third patent document, there are 14 claims. METADICHOL contains polycosanol nanoparticles with molecular weight smaller than 60 nanometers, which can penetrate into the skin, enter the bloodstream by transporting to all immune cells in the body and bind with vitamin D receptors to regulate the immune system, prevent bacterial and viral infections, correct abnormal biomarkers, repair organs and improve underlying health problems. METADICHOL is composed of 0.25% of nanopolycosanol, 98.2% of Swiss mountain purified water, and 1.55% of auxiliary materials. However, a single spray of METADICHOL can produce 1 trillion nanoparticles to bind with our body's cell receptors and bring benefits to the human body, no matter what medicine or healthcare product we take. The efficacy comes from its combination with human cell receptors to produce a series of biochemical reactions. METADICHOL is a protein agonist and a multifunctional ligand, which can bind to all nuclear receptors, some of the cell membrane receptors and organelle receptors. METADICHOL may play a two-way role by increasing or decreasing the secretion of the substance according to the state of the body to achieve homeostasis, and can effectively prevent metabolic diseases. In addition, it can bind to vitamin D receptors and produce a series of biochemical reactions. To put it simply, METADICHOL is like a plug, and our cell receptors are sockets. This principle is best to explain how METADICHOL brings benefits to our body. Vitamin C can help prevent most of the diseases. Humans cannot synthesize vitamin C on their own and must obtain it from food. But the intake is not enough to prevent and fight against diseases. METADICHOL can increase vitamin C levels in the body by more than threefold and maintain levels higher than those achieved by oral dosing. It promotes the synthesis of vitamin C by enhancing the function of the GLUT gene. At the same time, METADICHOL can increase the function of the GLUT4 gene up to 10 times to promote the recycling of vitamin C in the body. It can also increase the level of glutathione, which has antioxidant, anti-aging, strengthen immunity, and anti-tumor effects. In addition, METADICHOL can also promote the synthesis of NMN in human genes. NMN is an important metabolic redox coenzyme found in eukaryotic cells, which plays a key role in various biological processes, including metabolism, anti-aging, mitochondrial function, and repair DNA. METADICHOL also helps regulate hormone secretion, regulate fat and blood glucose metabolism by increasing the level of adiponectin, to prevent various metabolic diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. METADICHOL increases the activity of telomerase up to 16 times, help maintain, repair and extend telomeres, avoid the telomere shortening as cells divide. This can increase cell divisions to delay cell aging and prolong human life. In addition, METADICHOL also promotes cell regeneration and repair by increasing pluripotent stem cells to differentiate into immune cells and blood cells, such as red blood cells and platelets, so it can help to improve blood cancer, anemia, and strengthen immunity. METADICHOL regulates and activates the gene function of 45 out of our 46 chromosomes. In addition to activate, protect, and repair our genes, it can also inhibit the production of harmful substances that cause human aging and diseases. In a conclusion, METADICHOL can activate and maintain the good substances and inhibit the harmful substances from harming the human body. It can achieve homeostasis, improve health, and prolong life. It is effective to improve all diseases. The beneficial effects of METADICHOL including regulate our immune and endocrine system, maintain the balance of biomarkers in the body, protect brain and nerves functions, reduce chronic diseases that caused by inflammation, such as hypertension, diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. It can also help in anti-aging, cancer prevention, skin and hair beauty. METADICHOL is effective in prevent the process from inflammation to infection, and hence inhibit formation of diseases. Finally, as for the direction of usage for healthcare, take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily, for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 5 sprays, at least twice daily. In addition, people with underlying health problems can take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 10 sprays, at least 5 times daily. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.